Alright guys, oh man, we were struck by a little inconvenience, we'll call it. So as you guys can probably see from the title, New England Pete was involved in a little fender bender. It was very minor, and I'll get out and show you guys once I find my new spot. I'm gonna find a new spot where I can talk to you guys and tell you guys about things. So I was involved in a little fender bender. I came to a light and some kid in a, wait for it, Mk7.5 Golf bumped right into me. And I was pretty much going normal pace. I didn't stop hard. I'm not really much of a hard stopper. I'm more of a hard accelerator. Any situation were to be, I would be the one rear-ending someone. I'm a bit of a lead foot guy. I was rear-ended, and it was a little bit of a fender bender, like I mentioned before. Essentially, his license plate went right into my rear bumper, and it just kind of caused a little, not a hole. I'm very blessed that it didn't affect the, I would guess you could say the sill or the flat part of the rear bumper. The only thing that seems to be impacted is just around the license plate and the license plate itself. The license plate is currently bent inward. There's a hole, like a little bit of a divot. Nothing breached through the bumper. It's called a bumper for a reason. It served its purpose. The impact felt a lot harder than it really was, or at least it showed for damage. I'm trying to get this lighting perfect. It's weird. I'm in the car. It's kind of getting dark. I'm wearing sunglasses because I think I'm cool. But yeah, we're at the spot. So basically what happened was, like I said, I came to a light, I stopped, and he bumped right into me. The unfortunate part is that I didn't see him coming, and that's probably where the problem was. I really probably could have gone forward at least. I don't think I had anyone in front of me. I could have at least accelerated a little bit while I saw him coming towards me. I don't know if his car is a manual, but I think all Mk7.5 Golfs are manuals, so I don't know. It was kind of going down a hill, and maybe he just kind of lost control of the car. So doesn't matter what the issue was. The car got bumped into, and it was kind of a situation. I had the police come. They filed a report. Again, for a fender bender, I really don't need to get the police involved. I just wanted to, just for documentation purposes, and just so insurance will have a little bit more information to work with. Now you guys are probably wondering where the damage is. Now you actually can't see it, which is the best part about this, because it's actually not that bad, and that's why I'm not really freaked out. So as we can kind of see, I don't know if I can kind of show you guys. We'll try to do the tree line as our base, but that's kind of where the screw went into. I'll try to focus it a little better. Car's dirty, I apologize. So you can kind of see maybe that little hole, again, right here. And then we got some scuff marks right here. I think his plate edge went right into this section. So it's gonna need a little bit of respray. Again, no cracking, it appears, at least right now. So that's good. Diffuser got nicked a little bit right here. If I can get a new one and not have to deal with problems or more expense for me, then I'm probably going to do that, because I want to have a perfect car. This car is perfect before the accident. The only ding, and you guys are going to be like, holy guacamole, how does he call that damage? I actually got a ding at the bank. The bank teller has the sliding thing that goes out back when COVID was really bad, and it actually went right into my door, and I don't know if you can pick it up. I can notice everything, so no dings except for this little spot, and probably won't even see it on the video. Back to our official damage. So we got a little bit of a line, again, something you probably can't see through video, only I will. A little bit of a line following the license plate, kind of. I'd assume there's a big scratch below that, but again, nothing breached paint. The only thing that went through paint was this screw and the edge of his license plate. So that went right there and right there. This seems fine. Something I was totally freaked out about is if my parking sensor is okay. And it seems that they're pushed in enough where at minimal impacts, they're not gonna be that, damaged, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's not super terrible. It could be worse, and I'm super blessed that it's not worse. I'm glad that I have YouTube, where I'm able to kind of document this. This is a terrible situation. It could be way worse, could be way better. However, I'm alive and I'm okay, the other kid's okay, and this will be resolved. You guys are probably wondering where the catch is. Depending on whatever I decide to title this video, I may give it away. There's a catch. As you can see, I'm from New Hampshire. Hampshire plate. He's from New Hampshire. In New Hampshire, there's a bit of a funny rule where not everyone needs insurance. And you probably already know my hint, he doesn't have insurance. And that's extremely difficult when it comes to any kind of accident you get into. Then you're just working with him. So in this case, my insurance is gonna go after him, or I'm gonna go after him. If he doesn't pay, I'm gonna have to sue him. I don't want to do that. And I don't want to have to go the liability thing, because we already cleared up with the police officer that, again, anyone who rear ends anyone is usually the one liable. There's really no leeway. There's no flexibility when it comes to that. So yeah, it's really, really annoying that I have to deal with this, but then again, the damage is minimal. Could be way worse, and I'm blessed to have a beautiful family like you guys to support me. And yeah, I don't know, I'm really happy that I have you guys, and honestly, I'm really happy at the end of the day I have a Golf R, and I've worked super hard for this car, and I don't know, I definitely feel like I'm in a better situation than he is, and I need to be humbled, and I need to really just reflect on that situation and really just kind of take it from his perspective too. Like, it's obviously very traumatic, and this is probably going to be something expensive for him to fix, and it's a life lesson, but also I just want to be humbled in the fact that, accidents happen. So thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.